Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So after bouncing from a support level of 2150, we can see that gold is trading near 2173, 2174 area and market is in this range for quite some time. And if you look at the economic calendar, we can see that today we have news coming up. We have a long list of events, jobless claims, retail sales, PPI. So market will be volatile, my dear friends. So yes, at the time of US session, once the news will be out, you need to follow the trend of the market. If the market is too volatile, if you see the market is trending, then you can try to ride along. But in case you see the market is not very volatile or there is not much volume in the market, okay, in that case you can look for a target of 50 to 60 pips. But whatever it is, do not try to predict the market, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay. And if you are new to the market, observe the market to gain some experience, but do not gamble because news trading is lucrative, but maximum people also lose money in news trading also. Now let's look at the market sentiment, and here you can see currency market subdued ahead of fresh US economic data. The currency market was seated on Thursday, means with the US dollar consolidating against major peers as market players awaited more data out of the world's largest economy for clues on the direction of Federal Reserve policy. Gold prices flat, pullback likely in short term. Gold prices tepid as traders seek more US data. See, this is the overall market condition. Market is waiting for the news, so we can expect some good moves at the time of news, my dear friends. And this is the chart of US dollar index DXY, and we can see that there is not much change on the chart of DXY. Things are still the same. DXY is still trading within the same range only. Before the US session, if we see DXY going up, 103 to 103.30 will be the area where we can expect the market to face some resistance, and I don't think so DXY will be able to cross 103.30 before the US session. After US session, if it breaks 103.3, it will be heading towards 103.5, the 100 moving average here. And then only God knows, because see, things are not very positive for DXY as of now. So at present, we just need the confirmation about the next move of DXY, because if you look at the market structure, then also we do not have a clear picture. And if market drops 102, as we have already discussed in the previous videos, 102 is the next level or next support on the chart of DXY. Before US session, if it drops, we can expect the market to bounce slightly, but after the US session at the time of news, if market breaks 102, then obviously DXY will be breaking 102 and heading down, because 102 is not a very strong level as well. It's a level where you can expect the market to take support before the news only, not after the news. And this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us. And my dear friends, as I have already told you guys that I'm going on a vacation on 20th of March and I'll be on vacation till 3rd April. So there will be no videos on my channel, but yes, if you understand Hindi, okay, you can subscribe to this channel, because this channel belongs to my wife, and as it's a relatively smaller channel, she doesn't want to stop uploading, okay, so that this channel can grow, okay. So if you want, okay, you can subscribe to the Hindi channel. आप लोग हिंदी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, okay, more or आपको updates मिलता रहेगा in my absence. And another thing, before going on vacation, I'm planning to bring a guest on my channel, okay, who knows about the Forex industry very well. Because see, we are traders and we don't know the dark side, okay. I know to some extent, okay, but many of you do not know or have no clue about the dark side of the Forex industry, and most importantly, how brokers, okay, manipulate the market. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. Okay, I will definitely try to get those answers from the guest, because he's in this industry for a long time and he knows about this industry very well from inside out. Okay, so feel free to write down any comments, any question that you have regarding the industry, regarding the Forex broking industry. Okay, I would love to ask him. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So in our earlier videos also we discussed about the two important support levels, that is 2150, 2150, 2145, and then 2126 to 2125. So these two support levels are still very much valid. So the volatility of the market or the volume, the selling pressure of the market will be very, very important. In case you see gold coming down with big red candles, in that case 2150 will no longer play as the support, because this level has done the job once. You cannot expect the same again. The next support on the chart of gold will be around 2126, 2125. Even after news also you can expect some sort of bounce around 2126. I'm not guaranteeing, okay, because there is no guarantee about the levels. But if you see that the selling pressure, suppose gold is going down after the news, but if it is not very high, in that case you can expect a bounce around 2126, 2125. But on the other hand, if you see the market is standing at 212526 with a big red candle, use your common sense, it is not going to work. But to a great extent, I'm sure that the level of 2150 is no longer the support that you can expect to work after news. Okay, so let me write A. So 2126 may work after news, may or may not work. It depends on the scenario, but there's a high chance that 2150 will not work after news, because already the market has tested the level once. So what are the trading opportunities then? The other trading opportunities that are in front of us right now, you can see I have drawn multiple lines. These purple lines are only valid before news. My dear friends, do not forget, after news scenario will completely change. Market will be volatile, fundamentals will be dominating the market, so you need to follow the trend. So right now we can see we have three support levels. This is weak, this is medium, and this is strong. So if you see market taking support around 2160, 2161 before news, during the Asian session and European session, you can expect a bounce around this area. Right now market is standing at 2172, and 216061 is the best level. But if you see the market, okay, market is also trying to take support on 2165, because see, before 2160 we have 2165. So if you see market is trying to take support on 2165, then you can expect the market to take support around this area as well. How much you can expect? Do not expect much, because market is not very volatile. You can expect around 30 to 40 pips, not more than that, okay, in this market situation. And the next immediate support on the chart of gold is at 2168, but to be honest, I'm not very sure about 2168. 2168 is a level that should work in Asian session only, because 2168 is the first level, and the levels we have derived from Fibonacci. These are the levels from Fibo. Here you can see 2168 is the Fibo 38.2% retracement level. This is the Fibo 50% retracement level, 2165. But the good thing about 2165 is that we have the previous resistance working as support, and 2161 is the strongest, I said. Why? Because Fibo 61.8 is the best level. Along with that, the previous resistance will be working as support. So before news, 216061 is the best support where you can look for a buy, both in Asian and European session. 2165 is also more or less good level. If market takes support, you can go for a buy. But during the European session, 2168, the first line may not work. काम नहीं भी कर सकता है. Okay, so be careful, because we have many levels on every chart, but some levels are good, some levels are bad. So you need to trade according to the market situation. And if you're wondering about resistance, then right now we do not have any immediate resistance on the chart, and the only resistance is around 2200. Previously we discussed about the market, a possibility of market reversing from 2200, but 2200 is no longer a very strong resistance. And if market is very volatile after news, I think this time market will be going above 2200. And if that happens, obviously we can look for a buy above 2200. So in this market condition right now, my dear friends, okay, we can see the trend of the market is up. See, I am on a 15 minutes time frame, because other time frames are not giving us a clear picture as a day trader. So respecting the trend from the 15 minutes time frame, we are looking for buy at dip. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, if market doesn't come for dip, in that case, okay, we can't help it. Okay, try to just skip. And if you want to go for a risky trade, you can also look for a buy above 2182. But personally, I will not be going for a buy above 2182 because I am not sure. Because I can clearly see if market breaks 2182, we have multiple resistances. But yes, there are many traders, okay, who always prefer to be on a trade. If you are that kind of a trader, you can look for a buy above 2182, but that's your own risk. But yes, this time there's a high chance that market will break 2200. Okay, if that happens, you can look for a buy above 2200. And if you're holding a sell, please try to exit. Okay, let's wait and watch. It all depends on the market situation, because it up 2200 is a resistance, and to break any resistance or support in any market, stock market, forex market, commodity market, volume is extremely important. So the volume will be very important for the day. If market goes up with volume, then obviously market will break 2200 this time. But if you see the market is going up, but the size of the candles are not very good like this, okay, then obviously it may not break. Chances are that it will fail, because see, if you want to break a door, okay, if you want to break a door, then obviously you need power, you need strength. You cannot expect a small kid of 4 to 5 years to break a door, isn't it? So that's why volume or strength is important. And do I have any position right now? Yes, I have a buy limit at 2126. Okay, 2126. I have a buy limit. I have an alert set at 2150. Okay, so that I can take the decision. No buy limit at 2150 this time, because I am not confident about 2150. And obviously no buy limit around any of these levels. Okay, because I think I will be going for long position again above 2200 if market breaks it. But last time I also discussed about the reversal from 2200, but today, okay, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure. Let's wait and watch. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.